Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to replace the turn signal lights on Lexus RX330. These lights are 3 or 4 times brighter than the original lights, and these are in fact LED lights. So we'll be replacing all the 4 turn signal lights of this Lexus RX330. We'll start with the 2 front turn signal lights first. So the one on the left is right there. We need to remove it. To remove it, it's simple. You just turn it anti-clockwise and then you can pull it out from its housing. Now remove the old light bulb from the housing, like so. And here's the look of it. Now we want to replace it with this new LED light, which is about 3 or 4 times brighter. These lights are going to be great indicators during the day and a bit shiny at night. I'll show you what they look like at the end of the video, both during the day and at night. Now all you need to do is to insert it back into the housing. Make sure you insert it properly. If you insert it and the light doesn't turn on, you need to take it out and then rotate it and then plug it back in. It will work. Also remember to test the lights first before you insert it back into its housing. Once you confirm that the light works properly, you can insert it back into the housing. Now the left front light has been replaced. Now it's time to move to the right front light. We need to remove these pins holding down this plastic cover. Now once the pins have been removed, you can remove this plastic cover so that you can get access to the right turn signal light. This cable right here connects to the right turn signal light. So use your hand to navigate through this cable to take out the right turn signal light. Once it's out, just replace it with the new LED light, just like the left turn signal light. Now it's always a smart idea to test the lights first before you put it back into its housing. Once you confirm that it works, you can put it back in, because it takes a lot more time to replace the front lights compared to the rear lights. Now it's time for the real turn signal lights. It's hidden inside this cover piece. On the left side, also the same, this cover piece. So we'll start with the right side first. This is what it looks like inside. This one right here at the bottom is the turn signal light housing. Just turn it anti-clockwise to remove it. Now remove the old light bulb and replace it with a new LED light. Once it's in, you can put it back in. If you're not sure if you insert it correctly, you can also test the lights first. Now finally, it's time for the last turn signal light. Once again, this one right here at the bottom is the turn signal light. Just take it out like I shown you earlier and replace it. And then put it back into its housing. Once it's snug into place, you can put the cover piece back. Now you're done. It's time to test it. Here you can see the light is so bright. This is during the daytime. Look at the right side here, also blinking very brightly. If we go to the back, it's going to be the same. You can see it. This is under the sunlight, but it brights so sharply. On the left side as well, you can see here. So with this new LED light, other drivers can see when you try to turn signal left or right clearly, even during the daytime. And this is the nighttime. Look at it. It's kind of shiny, but it's not very intrusive. People can see it clearly, 3 or 4 times more clearly than the normal bulb lights. Okay, that's it guys. This is the end of the video. If you're interested in buying some of these lights, all the links are in the description. You can check them out. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what we do, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Have a great day guys. See you in the next video.